How to disable Wi-Fi password sharing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. The phone app is primarily used for making and receiving calls. Once you're here, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. This section displays a complete list of all the contacts saved on your device. Scroll through the list and tap on the contact. This will open their contact card. Now, tap on the Edit button in the top right corner. In the Edit mode, scroll down to the email address you wish to remove. Tap on the red minus icon to the left and tap on Delete on the right. Finally, tap on the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. You can now see that the email address has been successfully removed from the contact. Following these steps, you can easily delete an email address from a contact on an iPhone.